AMC stock update. Okay guys, so I wanted to make this video to tell you guys a little bit of an update about AMC stock, guys. So AMC stock has really been crushing it lately. It's up quite a bit. It was up at almost 40% over the last week, and actually ended up selling half of my position right around $3.94 at the top. So I'm going to explain to you guys why I sold some of my stock, and I'll give you guys some more bullish trends, and I'll give you guys my future price prediction for AMC stock. Before I get into this video, guys, be sure to grab your 2 free stocks over at Webull, guys. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, or you can go to investortrip.com/Webull. If you deposit $100, you'll receive 2 free stocks up to $1,850. And cryptocurrency is red hot now, guys. I use Coinbase personally to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and Coinbase is planning to add Dogecoin to its coin offering in the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So if you sign up using the link in the description below, you receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin with a $100 deposit, or you can go to investortrip.com/Bitcoin. Okay guys, so let's get into the meat of the video here. So basically, like I said, when it comes to meme stocks, I like to simply buy them when no one wants them, and I like to sell them when people really want them. So a lot of these companies, are dealing with depressed financials. Companies like AMC are continuing to raise money and things like that. So fundamentally, these stocks really aren't that strong. There's dilution going on, but this isn't a reopening play, okay? So AMC, obviously, a lot of people are wanting to go watch movies in the theaters, and I expect there to be a summer boom, particularly in August. But, when stocks like these trade at like RSI levels, as you can see right here, I decided to take some off the table. So I ended up selling some right around the top. I just sold half my position right around $13.94. And the reason I did this is I simply wanted to just, with all of these other discounts going around, like I said, I mentioned in my previous video that I bought Coinbase stock. I just wanted to raise a bit of cash and take some money off the table. AMC was ripping so fast, so hard. I just wanted to kind of, decrease some of my exposure. And now that I'm basically up over 100% on my position, I simply sold half the position, and now I'm just riding with the house's money. So basically, since, I bought in at around $6.86, I just sold half. So now I've got all my money back. So now I'm just leaving my profits still in the market. So this is a strategy that I've been using lately. After watching EV stocks basically crash in February, I'm now ready to take some profits at the top. And obviously, I like a lot of these EV stocks long term, so I've been holding them. But when it comes to AMC and I see profits to take and I'm up over 100% on my position, I'll have no problem in taking some stock off the table. So now let's talk about a couple of the news updates with AMC stock and where my future price prediction is. So this is a brand new article posted on Market Watch. It says AMC Entertainment stock surges to longest win streak in nearly 2 years. Shares have soared over 44% over the last 6 days, a 2-month high. So basically, AMC recently completed its stock sale, and as you can see here, they sold 43 million shares at around $9.94. So that $9.94, that creates a nice base of support. I don't think we'll ever see AMC stock dip below $10. Especially where I've been seeing a lot of people talking about how masks are going to be, basically removed widespread in June, and you're going to see this summer is going to be crazy for a lot of these reopening stocks. People are going to be flooding to the movie theaters, just wanting to get out of the house and enjoy the sun and things like that, and go to the movie theaters and watch some of these films. Because while I believe Netflix is an amazing long-term growth story, there's nothing like watching a feature film in a movie theater. We saw what happened during the pandemic, where a lot of these feature films came out, and just releasing them on streaming platforms just didn't nearly generate as much revenue as it would releasing them in movie theaters. And also, an analyst, Eric Wold at B. Riley Securities, reiterated his buy rating he's had on AMC stock since April 5th and raised his stock price target to $16. So he's saying that basically its latest at-the-money stock sale program bolsters the balance sheet and provides strategic optionality to boost shareholder value. So basically what he's saying is that they're generating enough cash to basically get through weather the storm, and things should get back on track. Probably in August, September, things like that, we should start seeing a lot of money pouring into AMC stock in terms of revenue, and hopefully they'll be able to reopen their theaters, full scale. So what does this mean for AMC stock, guys? Well, me personally, like I said, I bought in below $7, around $6.86. So I had no problems taking some profits off the table, and I'm just going to ride with the house's money. But I still think we're going to march towards $20. I have no problem taking some of the money off the table, leaving some in cash. There's a lot of other deals that I mentioned here. I bought some Coinbase. I've been buying CCIV. So I've been just taking a little bit of, money and spreading it around into some other companies that I think have some great long-term growth stories. But I still want to see AMC Moon. And I really think that this stock is going to hit $20 like it did previously. So if we kind of go back here, and we can see here that AMC stock, I believe, is a little bit further. You look back at the charts. Okay, here we go. So as you can see here, AMC stock was at a lot of resistance back in January at $20. And as you can see, after the low of around $5, where I bought in around $6.86, I didn't buy the complete bottom, but I bought, as it started moving back up. I think that we're eventually going to complete this top, and the rest of the chart is going to fill this gap, and then perhaps maybe things even get better. Maybe there's a renewed interest in going to the movie theater, due to the scarcity created during the pandemic. So perhaps we could even hit $20, perhaps by August, and perhaps maybe even $25 or $30, and by 2022. So honestly, this is one of the best reopening stocks that I think is out there, and there's a reason why so many people are interested. We keep creating higher lows. So we've got a higher low here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, another higher low. So things are just looking great, guys. I would say, obviously don't invest money you can't afford to lose. There's nothing wrong with taking some profits, but I don't believe in cashing out all of my profits, because if AMC stock does moon to around $20 to $25, there's another 100% upside here. So that way I could basically double my money again, and then maybe I'll do the same thing. I'll take some money off the table, or I'll just let it ride. But right now I'm basically playing with the house's money. I've taken all of my initial investment back, so now I'm not nearly as emotionally invested in AMC stock. So now I think I have the potential that I'll be able to basically hold this stock perhaps until 2022, because really, I think the worst is over, and I think, we could see a big resurgence in AMC shares. So obviously, once theaters are open to 100% capacity, we're expecting these companies to become profitable. We don't want to just see revenue come in. We want net income, and we want things to get better. So it'll be really interesting to see kind of the second quarter report for AMC. That's what I'm really interested in looking at, because in the first quarter report there wasn't any real revenue coming in. So I'll be sure to update you guys on what I'm doing with AMC stock. But like I said, if you're let me know what you guys are doing personally. Are you still hodling? Have you sold some? Are you buying more? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And be sure to grab your 2 free stocks at Webull by clicking the link in the description below. And be sure to grab your $10 in free Bitcoin as well at Coinbase. And if you guys want to follow my trades more closer to real time, you guys can follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/investortrip, or you guys can just head over to Twitter and type in investortrip, and you guys can follow my Twitter right there, guys. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.